Learn every day for a better life. Welcome to this comprehensive overview on the benefits of yoga for people with chronic pain. Chronic pain affects millions of people worldwide and can be caused by a variety of conditions such as arthritis, fibromyalgia, back pain, and many others. It can severely impact an individual's quality of life and leave them feeling helpless and overwhelmed. However, yoga can be an effective and natural way to manage chronic pain and provide relief. In this video, we will discuss the numerous benefits of practicing yoga for chronic pain management. Yoga can help to reduce pain and inflammation in the body. The physical postures of yoga can increase blood flow, oxygenate the tissues, and stimulate the release of endorphins. Endorphins are natural painkillers that can help to reduce the intensity of pain and promote a sense of well-being. Additionally, yoga can help to reduce inflammation in the body by regulating the immune system and reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Yoga can improve flexibility, strength, and mobility. Chronic pain can cause stiffness and limited range of motion, making it difficult to perform everyday tasks. Yoga can help to increase flexibility and improve mobility by gently stretching the muscles and joints. Additionally, yoga postures can build strength in the muscles, which can help to support and protect the joints. Over time, these improvements can lead to a reduction in pain and an increase in function. Yoga can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which are common comorbidities of chronic pain. Chronic pain can be stressful and anxiety-provoking, leading to a cycle of pain and distress. Yoga can help to break this cycle by calming the mind and reducing stress. Breathing exercises, meditation, and mindful movement can all help to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Yoga can improve sleep quality. Chronic pain can disrupt sleep, leading to fatigue and exacerbating pain. Yoga can help to promote restful sleep by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Additionally, yoga can help to regulate the circadian rhythm, which is the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. By practicing yoga regularly, individuals with chronic pain may be able to improve their sleep quality and reduce fatigue. Finally, yoga can provide social support and a sense of community. Chronic pain can be isolating and lonely, making it difficult to engage in social activities. Yoga classes can provide an opportunity to connect with others who are also experiencing chronic pain. This sense of community and support can be empowering and motivating, helping individuals to feel less alone in their pain. It's important to note that while yoga can be a helpful tool for chronic pain management, it's not a cure-all. It's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a comprehensive pain management plan that may include a combination of treatments such as medication, physical therapy, and mindfulness practices like yoga. Additionally, it's important to listen to your body and modify yoga postures or skip certain poses if they cause pain or discomfort. A qualified yoga instructor can help you make modifications to the practice to ensure it's safe and effective for you. In conclusion, yoga can be an effective and natural way to manage chronic pain and improve quality of life. By reducing pain and inflammation, improving flexibility and strength, reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep quality, and providing social support, yoga can offer a holistic approach to chronic pain management. If you are interested in trying yoga for chronic pain, be sure to speak with your healthcare provider and find a qualified yoga instructor who can help you develop a safe and effective practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.